These are fire. Don't sleep on these, man. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I like these better than the Jordan 5 UNC. Let's talk about the undefeated Nike Air Force One Low Fauna Brown. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah, and welcome to Clones TV. Man, these shoes right here is hot. Man, when I first seen this shoe on Nike Sneakers app, I said, man, I'm feeling that shoe. I'm feeling that shoe. And I can't believe these hoes didn't sell out. I can't believe they didn't sell out. Now, I was told, a friend of mine say Air Force Ones, it's not gonna sell out. They did. And I'm like, damn, again, and I'm not a fan, I never bought no Air Force Ones. I don't know nothing about them, but I'm a fan of the colorway of this shoe. The bottom, the patent leather. And when my son get home from school, the boy gonna trip out when he see this, man. I gotta get them. I got to pull the trigger on these, man. So look at, first of all, I don't even know where to start. Let's start with the bottom. You got that slime green bottom, slime green bottom. Then you got your brown up here. Look at that. That brown and that pink with that blue. Now, I've seen the other shoes that have other colorways that Undefeated have, and this is the best one. But let's keep going. So you got your slime bottom, you got your brown here, you got your blue. What's that? Your powder blue. You got your hot pink. Got your hot pink Nike check. Right here, you got Nike Air in black. Right here, where your ankle area. You got your purple right here. In the back, your heel area. And the pink Nike check on the outside and inside. Black shoestrings, but I think that boy gonna take them black ones out, put the pink ones in, man. So the inside, then you got your shoe tree. This bitch got a shoe tree. Look at that. And look at the inside. Damn. Look at that. You got some type of artwork in the insole. So again, your boy don't know too much about Air Force Ones. I buy shoes that I like. And I like these shoes. I like how they look. Marquise, how these look? Come here, you wanna be on camera? You wanna be on the camera? Come on. How these look, Marquise? Come over here. How these look, man? Is it a cop or drop? Cop or drop? Cop mean yes, drop mean no. Is it must cop?
Cop.
Is it must cop? You like these shoes? What you like about these shoes? Oh, you like those colors? Ooh. Man, these are cool, huh? All right, good job. All right, bye-bye. Oh, y'all let me know in the comment section, are Air Force Ones comfortable on feet? So, what say y'all? Are they hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Y'all let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.